In this video, we're going to do a code traversal over a while loop to see what gets output to the screen. Right? So we have our code here. We start at the top. We have x equals 10. So we want to keep track of our variables. So we make a spot to keep track of that for x. If we have other variables, as we see them, we make other spots. Okay? So while x is greater than 0, so our condition is true. 10 is greater than 0. And we go in here and see out x. Okay, so we output 10 in the space. Then if x is greater than 5, which it is, x equals x minus 2. So we take x minus 2, which is 8, and assign it into x. Okay, we hit the bottom of our curly brace, we go back up to the top, check our condition. 8 is still greater than 0. So we go inside, we output 8 with a space. We check this condition. X is greater than 5, which is true. We subtract 2 and store it back into x. We repeat that step, checking the condition and outputting because 6 is greater than 0. Check this, 6 is greater than 5, so we subtract 2. Store it back in, go back to the top. Right? 4 is greater than 0, output it. And then we get to this. This is the first time we see this is false, so we go to our else, and we subtract 1. Going through, we end up with 3. And we hit the if statement again, subtract 1. We go back to the top, evaluate our condition. 2, and then this is true still. So we output 2 there. 2 is not less than 5. We subtract it. We get to 1. We go back to the top. It's still true. And we output 1 with a space. So each of these has spaces after it. And then we do our update and we get to 0. Right? So 0 is not less than 0. So we've run through the entire loop. We get to our false and we exit. So each of these is what is output by this loop. 10 space, 8 space, 6 space, 4 space, 3 space, 2 space, 1, and then a space. Right? So every number followed by a space.